Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yeah, I've been getting a lot of stick off the community. Yeah, Raggy, my little trusted bit of rag that's been with me since I've been back at the bench, made an appearance on one of the live shows. And several people said it was the most scuzziest thing they've ever seen. So, yeah. So, Paul DiTomaso has sent me a package because he was that ashamed of me that he sent me a packet. So, I've got a feeling that he might well have sent me a packet of replacement rags, because as he said, Raggy was the most disgusting thing that he's ever seen. So he's bought me a big packet of modelling cloth for at the bench, bless his heart. And yes folks, you've seen it here first. Yeah, we now have, we have a new Raggy. Okay, because yeah, I think it's time to admit defeat and let Raggy take his rightful place on the wall of shame. So I would like to say a big thank you to Paul for sending me a rather lovely big bag of new Raggies. It's funny, I do feel so ashamed of myself. So yeah folks, cheers Paul, much appreciated. The new Raggies will be making their debut on the Friday stream with Fox, the Friday Frolic. So I look forward to seeing you all then, and I'm going to sit and savour my new little Raggies. And yeah, it's gonna make my life a lot easier and probably stop me getting everyone having to go at me for my disgusting rags. So thank you again, Paul. Much appreciated. And yes, I shall be good. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye-bye for now. Ta-ra.